Welcome to the next lesson. Till now, we have created the header of our website and the hero section. And in this part, we need to create the next section, which is about us. So I'm going to come here in the ChatGPT and write down. All right, so I mentioned that what you made till now, it's good. Okay, let's go for the next section, which is introduction or about me snippet. Write the codes for this part the way you think is best. Let's say you have absolutely no idea how the next part should be. Okay, so we will let ChatGPT decide that. We will try it. If it doesn't like it, we'll make some changes in the prompt until we like the result. Okay, so here is the HTML part. And if you look at the code inside it, let me just copy and paste it before I explain what the code is about. And then from what we see here, I will explain it. So let's come here. We got the HTML code. Let's paste it here, save it, go to style. And here we have the about me section. Let's copy all the codes and come here and paste it. Save this part. Let's come to our website, refresh it. And here it is. So we need a picture of ourselves. Then under it is written your name. Okay. And then the title, for example, or what we do, interior designer and architect, and with over X years of experience, etc., etc. And then read more. Now, maybe you say, all right, I don't like the style of it like this, or maybe it would be better if it was, for example, starting from left side instead of center. So we can make all those changes. And you see here we have your name, here we have with over X years experience. So we need to make some changes here inside the code. If we come to the HTML part, this is a section that we just added. And if you just look for the same words, if I come here, select your name, copy it, okay? And then I come here and inside the code, press Command and F on Mac or Control F on Windows and paste the text that you found on your website. It will show you where it is. Here it is. So if I change this, the result there will be changed. For example, if I change this to Puya Eti and save it and come here and refresh it, instead of your name, we will see Puya Eti, right? So this is how we can make some changes if you don't know where in the code exists. And here we need a profile image, okay? You can create if you can upload an image from yourself. But since here we are using Midjourney to create the images, and this is a sample website, I'm just going to come here and write down Imagen. Okay, I wrote down avatar image of a man with white background and minimal. Okay, so let's wait for the image to get ready. All right, the image is already because I used the minimal word. It's look like logos. So let's try that prompt again. Okay, this time I just wrote down avatar image of a young architect with a solid background. So let's wait. All right, the image is already, I tried different prompt as well. So this was the first try. Then I wrote down avatar image of a young architect with solid background. Here are the result. And for example, this one is not so bad. Okay. And then I wrote down image of a young stylish architect. And I think this one looks really cool, right? So let's upscale it. Second one. And then come here and save it. And let's look at the name that we must use here inside the code. It is profile dot. Let's do PNG because the image will be PNG. So it will be profile dot PNG. Saved it and let's bring it to our file here. and come here and refresh, and here it is. Okay, so looks cool. Maybe if we zoomed in on the face, it would be much better. So let's do that as well, because I want you to have a better looking website. So let's just drag and drop it inside Photoshop or whatever tool you use to just resize it. And let's just cover the head part. Okay, looks nice. I'm gonna just save this or export it as PNG, as profile2.png. You can download both of these images from the resources of this lesson. All I need to do is to come here and add number 2 and save it and refresh it. So here it is, looks much better, right? And right, that was the part for the About Me. And when we click on Read More, it should jump into About Me page, okay? So that was all about this lesson. Let's go for the next part.